Betty White, ready for me to tear her up right on the town.
What did I store in old Betty White?
A whole bunch of your crap.
Kinsey's 4Runner has become a Jeep part storage unit.
Inside of a storage.
This is actually Jade's original YJ grill.
Wow.
Sarcastic son of a gun.
Get on my face. It's hot and I'm hungry. I'm probably PMSing on top of it.
Well, yeah, always. We did some adulting, got a storage unit. This is the original spare tire from my very first Jeep, 1977 CJ7. The old steel wheel, old BF Goodrich.
If you can't turn your car on, jiggle the steering wheel.
This is your tip and advice to everybody?
Keep that in the old noodle.
Okay, we will.
Alright, empty it out, pal.
Yeah, keep her coming. Keep her moving. Come on.
Crank it left or right?
Crank it left. Keep cranking.
Did I crank it?
Yeah, you cranked it.
You cranked it.
You crank it. She's feisty today. This is a good opportunity to store stuff that we didn't end up using a lot too. Annie also is going to be going in the storage unit. We just didn't really need her very much, you know. Gordy actually went in the water with me quite a bit, so he can stay. This is my parts Jeep, 1977 Jeep Wagoneer. From 1962 till 1991 on the Jeep Wagoneers, they hardly changed anything except the grills, some, cosmetic features, exterior, interior, but a lot of it remained the same, including the body itself. Ever since I bought this Wagoneer, I've kind of been finding out weird stuff that the previous owners did as I've gone along. You can see right here, let me wipe this off for you. Front axle, same thing, 11/22/88. Now if we look at the transfer case, 1984. And if we look at the body, manufactured Chrysler 1090. Now on the side of the engine, you'll see this sticker thrown on there, this stamp, a remanufactured engine. I'm gonna kind of continue with that theme and use this Wagoneer, take all the good parts off of her and swap them on to that one. This guy took about 10 minutes to take off. It was barely hanging on really. This guy, more like hour and a half. I had to use that drill there, drill out some rusted screws, strip screws, but shit the bed, they're both off. Plugged right in. Go right in as well. That is awesome. These tabs right here that go along the front of the grill, those seem to be the biggest difference, and that's where I'm gonna have to do a little bit of work. Other than that, the lights themselves plug right in, which is really cool. Well, about 6 hours after messing with it. You want to see what it looks like, Annie? And she is on. There's maybe a little bit of gap on the headlights, more than it would be completely stock, but blinkers, low beams, high beams, everything is working. So yeah, pretty sweet. The last step with this grill swap is putting on this lower bar that fills in the gap here between the hood and the grill. Just have to do a couple modifications, like drill a hole right about here, which is this hole right here. That's the biggest difference. Otherwise that lower bar will fit right on there. Oh yeah, slides right in. Well, my brother got mad at me when we were doing this, smacked me right in the nose. So, geez, don't want to work with him on Jeep anymore.
Sick of you and sick of your crap.
This freaking bar fell off and smacked me right in the nose. Gosh.
Pretty funny.
Oh yeah. Wouldn't be working on the Jeep without blood. There we go. Fills that gap perfectly. Nice and clean look. I just gotta paint her OD green and swap the hood latch. Alright, the new latch is on. Looks like she's gonna line up. So we'll find out if she'll reopen. Well, definitely closed. There we go.
And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
These new HEI units usually come with new gears, but what you want to do is remove the gear that comes with it and put on your old gear from your old distributor. Apparently these new gears are too hard and they can mess up your cam, so you want to put on the OE style. I just got to drive out this pin right here, throw this on here, and then my cam won't be destroyed. That was actually pretty easy. Pin came right out. There we go.
Perhaps the most famous classic.
Alright, so the number 1 cylinder is at top dead center right now. Rotor is pointing right here. This is the number 1 cylinder. And firing order seems to be correct. Let's try her again. Kinda. Using the orientation of the stock distributor put this distributor a little retarded. So I had to advance it, and now she runs good. Oh yeah. Dang, that mirror's huge. Awesome. Worked out.